They came with 10 people with guns, put them on a train and sent them to Siberia gulag.
They value gold or silver or both?
Both was critical. When I saw this, I'm like, wow, I've never seen this. I want to have it.
What's happening right now is some people are having FOMO and other people are hurrying to sell. And people don't know what to do because it's moving too fast.
If it breaks 50, I think we don't see 30s anymore.
50 has a bad omen.
Get your Yankee Silver Rounds featuring coin dealer Tim exclusively online at SD Bullion. Orders over $199 qualify for free shipping. Grab yours today while supplies last.
I'm Polish, so I better. When I saw this, I said I have to have it.
What is that? What?
So it's a coin that's celebrating 1,000 years of Christianity of Poland.
Wow. That's so cool.
And I want to have it. When I saw that, I'm like, that's it.
Let me see the actual metal.
But Polish people are proud that they were baptized. It all started in 966. So it was a big deal for them. So like when I saw this, I'm like, wow, I've never seen this. I want to have it.
You got it.
I think it was right before First World War. Russian Tsar came up with a paper currency, and they were walking around and trying to convince everybody to trade in their gold and silver for that paper. And Jewish friends said, never, ever, ever buy that. So, and of course, people started hiding. And in my family, a little bit of gold was hidden for over 100-something years. And just recently, when my son was born, my mom gave me a little golden coin. It was from 1895. And Tim actually looked at it. It's 8.6 grams, Russian Tsar. And it's amazing that this coin survived the Second World War, Gulag, Siberia, and it stayed in my family. That's what it gave me a passion to start putting a little bit aside.
And how would they view silver and gold back there compared to currency?
My father told me that what he heard from his father or grandfather, that at that time, before the Second World War, that coin would buy you 2 cows. And for farmers, they're telling me you can buy a bull or a cow for 1,500/1,800. So it's interesting comparison.
Yes, very interesting.
100 years later.
Yes.
When Russians came September 17th, attacked Poland, backstabbed them in 1939. They came in, walked into our family's house and said, listen, we're taking this cow. So the 2 brothers kicked them out. A week later, they came with 10 people with guns, put them on a train and sent them to Siberia gulag. My family had to throw away the swords that they had because they were in Polish cavalry. I was told that they just threw them in the water so that nobody can find them and later punish them for having any weapons.
Did they value gold or silver or both?
Both was critical, absolutely.
So what are you stopping in for Tim for?
So today
That is a pretty bar.
turning in some fiat money for 110 Canadian maples if you got them.
Gold?
Gold.
You're getting rid of the silver and you're going to gold?
Getting rid of fiat. Yeah, I really don't like the patina. It's not for me. Plus I have
Patina?
another one. I have a lot of silver.
Okay, you have a lot of silver. All right.
Silver, and so I don't need to. And I don't need to hang on to it just to hang on to it. I really need to do the gold now.
You need to do the gold.
Fractional gold.
Fractional gold.
Yeah. It's been about 10 years since 2008. So I've been doing silver all this time. And so now it's our time. My husband just retired and we are spurling. And he's an Uber driver.
Yeah?
Yeah. And so we decided we're just going to take all this and convert it up to gold. You know, it's really difficult to actually go into the grocery store and turn this in. Mm-hmm. They look at you like you got 7 heads. I'm like,
If you do the Coinstar route, you're going to pay a little bit for the money as well.
Oh, I would never do that.
Never do the
do
cookie
that.
deal.
I would go in and buy my gasoline with this if I had to.
You know, if you tried to do that in France, they would say, they'd push it right back. They say, no, we don't take it.
Really?
Yeah, we're at a coffee shop about to get on a plane in the airport in Marseille. And my daughter got a coffee and a pastry, and I got a coffee and a pastry, and so the girl says that's $10.70. So I count out all my €1 and €2 coins, and she goes, she looks at me, sweeps it in her hand. She said, "That's only 10." I said, "No, it was 11." She said, "It was only 10." I said, "Can you please open your hand?" And she doesn't speak English.
How convenient.
She didn't move. Okay. So, no, I'm kind of pissed. But they all do this stuff. So I reached in my pocket and I had 5s and 10s. So I counted out the 70 cents. I thought she was going to throw them at me. She glared like I was the worst person in the world. It's just, and we were at a market in northeast France. We had to go to a wedding up there, and they picked the perfect venue for a wedding. Really nice. So we're at a market, food market, and everybody speaks English, because they see so many people. And so I got, I don't know, a sandwich or something like that. And it was a sandwich and a drink or something. It was like €14. So same thing, count the €2 and the 14. And she takes and she separates the €2 coins and picks up the ones and pushes those back to me. And I said, "You don't take those?" "No, we don't take those." "Do you take paper currency?" "Yes, paper only." So I gave her paper currency, and she gave me more coins and change.
She was dumping it, getting rid of it.
But so then I was waiting for my daughter. I'm sitting we had a rental car, and I'm sitting in the car, and I Google, why do merchants not like the €2 coins? Apparently, it's a common problem. They have to take them. But because the €2 coins are commemorative coins, they may not want to take coins from other certain country. So I guess those were German or something. But
So they all like to take certain
they have
coins.
to take them, but they may not want to take some.
Penny's done, right? And
Yeah.
the nickel, when's the nickel? It costs more to make a nickel than 5 cents. So when is that gone? When's the
They're
dime
going to
gone?
change the composition for the nickel. Guaranteed they'll change the composition.
I think it's going.
And you know how they can do that?
Yeah, how?
Let me see if I got a nickel here. There's one thing about Canadian currency. Doesn't matter what it is.
But I didn't want to seem like I was splitting hairs and cleaning my glasses.
They substitute steel for nickel, steel for copper.
Do you think steel nickels is possible?
Yeah, I do. I think it's possible.
So if you've got Canadian maples, they'll be
Yeah, I think
great.
we have nuggets. That's from Australia. There's Philharmonic. That's from Austria. Britannia, Australia.
Those are all 24 karat.
Those are all 24 karat.
They're all 24 karat.
I was hoping for
Another Britannia.
Canadian maple. Cause my
Yeah,
son is been after me. Mom,
did
well,
hear
you need to buy
you.
some Canadian maples. What are you doing?
It's another Britannia.
He got me into this when he was 16, and
I love the maples.
it's been a few years now. And he's like, "Come on, Ma, let's go. You're falling behind."
Really?
Yeah.
He's giving you a hard time?
Oh, he's giving me a little hard time.
There's another
Like,
queen.
you live
but
right next door.
Another
Come
Australia.
on.
Okay.
I said, I will try. What are nuggets?
These are famous gold nuggets found lying on top of the ground in Australia.
That is incredible.
I'm going to go with the kangaroo.
And they all have names.
They all have names?
This is Little Mercy,
And Little Hero.
Little Hero. The coins are tiny, but the nuggets are like big nuggets.
Is that Elizabeth? The
That's
Britannian?
Queen Elizabeth.
Yeah. I'm more partial to her.
My parents went to her coronation.
Your parents went to Queen Elizabeth's
Yeah, my father had to go to England a lot because the one of the advertising centers for Europe for Shell was in England. So I just remember that it was on a newspaper. I think it was the Daily News in New York, and so on the front they had, all the fancy stuff from a distance, and on the back they had Prince Charles on his tricycle. He was like 3 years old then or something.
Wow.
So even Prince Charles is younger than I am.
I already got mine. I got mine like second day you guys posted off of SD
Oh,
Bullion.
you got these?
Of course I did.
You bought them online?
I got 6 of them. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, because you know why?
Why?
Christmas presents.
Oh,
Christmas
there's
presents.
a great idea, Tim.
I'm a holder. I'm not a spender.
So you wanted to drop so you can get more.
Yeah, exactly.
Makes sense.
The ratio is down a little bit. It's around 83.
83. Okay. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate you coming in here and talking with me.
I love coming here. It's so awesome to meet you here at the same shop that I come here very frequently.
Are you going to be getting a signature on that?
I would hope to, yeah. I would hope to, because I met
Stacking Surfer.
Stacking Surfer.
We got the Stacking Surfer here at Tim's shop again, signing stickers everywhere.
Front or back?
You
want front? All right.
on the back of this board.
Good to see you here.
See ya.
And you're here to...
I'm here to see Tim, but it's good to have you here, Yankee.
Oh, be quiet. Jeez, how you doing?
How are
Hey,
you?
Tim, how's it going? It's been a little while.
Good seeing you again.
So I thought you might be out of some stickers, so we're going to just put those right there.
It's a good place to put
It's a
them.
good place, but I came to get some of these Tim rounds. I hear these are really awesome.
They are. They're really awesome.
I came all the way from California to pick up some of these rounds.
Are you serious?
Yes, these are awesome. Wow. So, I mean, I could buy them online, but what's the fun in that? But yes, Tim, I'd like to get a few of these.
Okay. A few tubes?
Oh, I would like to get a few tubes, but right now I want to get I want to get 3 of these right now today,
Okay.
and then I'm going to come back tomorrow and get some more. Are you open tomorrow?
Planning to be. Well,
Okay.
You'll be here. We'll open
Yes.
up early.
I will get some more tomorrow, but today I want to get 3.
Sounds good.
All right.
Oh, even at these prices?
Yes.
What is silver at, Tim, right now? Is it 45 and change?
45 and change, yeah. On its way to 50.
On its way to 50.
Well, I've been saying that for months.
Oh, be quiet. No, you haven't.
So I'm surprised though, Tim. Like I keep waiting for it to go back down to a 200-day moving average
Yes.
for gold and silver. I mean, that's what the chart guys are telling me, right?
That's what it should
Technical
be.
analysis guys are telling me it should go down and then it's going to bounce back up and we'll go higher. It doesn't feel like it's going to do it though.
Well, if you judge from the people buying or selling gold and silver, you would say, oh, well, it's going to go up and then it's going to have a big drop.
So do you think we're still going to see a correction?
I think that's the best way for the average hedge fund to make money, is to pump it up and short it.
Yeah, I'd agree with that for sure. So,
But 50 first? Before the short?
it's either going to be really close to 50 or it's going to be over 50. I do not see it hitting
Okay.
50.
If it breaks 50, I think we don't see 30s anymore.
50 has a bad omen.
It does. Well, here's the thing. Okay, so yes, the odds of it going above 50 can be very hard because usually they short this and they won't let it hit 50. So it's not just 50. To me, it's closing the week at 50 on Friday. A Friday. Not necessarily tomorrow.
All right.
But that's what I'm waiting for. If it closes above 50 for a weekly, I think it's going higher.
Temporarily, yes.
Temporarily.
Yes, nothing goes up in a straight line. We're going to have some pullback at some point. It has
I think
to.
it's been moving too fast, to be
Yeah,
honest
it's been
with
moving
you.
really fast. I mean, I can't even keep up with it.
I know. It's better if there was a breather here,
Yeah.
if it paused for a bit. But it's been on a tear, Tim.
Every day it has had a pause. Every day. Usually goes down $20 in gold or $30 or $40. But as soon as it opens in New York, it starts going back up.
But I think it's more like a week pause or a month pause that we need. Trading sideways for a while.
We do, because what's happening right now is some people are having FOMO and other people are hurrying to sell. And so we're having this whiplash going back and forth on things, and people don't know what to do because it's moving too fast. And so when we look at technical analysis, it's telling us that we should have a healthy pullback, and we're not getting that yet. And so to your point, Tim, there is a high probability that we will still get a healthy pullback. The issue, though, is 50 is a massive psychological number because we've actually never closed above 50.
That is true.
So once we hit that 50, I don't exactly know what's going to happen, but I have a feeling people are going to rush out thinking they're going to miss the mark and it's going to go to 60 really fast.
Oh my goodness.
So I think you are going to see people running out to go get it. But you and I don't really set the spot price, do we?
No, and people who have a lot more money than we have
Yeah.
set the spot price. And it's no longer a spot price.
No, it's not.
The spot price is supposed to apply, it's derived from supply and demand, and it's for instant delivery transactions between individuals.
Of the
is what it used
physical,
to say.
of the physical.
The
metals.
physical, yeah.
Right.
Yep.
Yeah, and it's all based on derivatives now. So it's, whoever
Yep. Paper.
wants to do the paper shorts, the paper longs, all of that stuff.
That's right.
So, for me, what I keep doing and I tell people is dollar cost average.
You're still buying.
I'm still buying, but I tend to buy a little bit less when we have these points of acceleration because I don't know what's going to happen. And so I don't want to go all in right now. I'm waiting to see, is it going to pull back a little bit? But I'll buy a little bit here and there. Okay. I'll keep doing it. But I also look for...
Both gold and silver?
More silver right now than gold.
Okay.
So I think both are a good buy still. I know a lot of people ask about platinum. I do have a little bit, but not much.
Yep.
We're talking like not even 0.1% of my stack is platinum. It's way lower than that.
Right.
It's like maybe 1,000th or something. So, for me, that's not really a monetary metal that we use, and it's not something that I really drive towards. If you've already hit your stack and you've hit all your goals, okay, fine, you can grab some. But for me, I've got my gold foundation. Now I'm trying to build up a little bit more on silver. Okay. But I'll keep going. It is what I want to save my wealth in, right? I don't want to leave all these dollars in the bank. So as more dollars come in, I'm coming up here to Tim and I'm going to other places and just figuring out what I can do. I'd come here as often as I can, but I can't get out here every day.
So why don't you just move out here to the great state of New Hampshire? Live free or die, buddy.
Well, we could take a vote on it.
Right?
Yes. Yes. I know. We could take a vote on it. You guys will have to let me know. Should I move or should I stay in California?
Surfing isn't as good out here, I'll have to admit. But
No, but I don't get into it as much as I want to, as often as I want to, because I'm just busy working and putting the channel together and all that kind of stuff. But you can always go on vacation. You can always visit. I think it's a great place to visit. It's a hard place to live.
Well, you know what they say about California.
Tell me.
You can check out anytime you want, but you can never leave.
Yeah, I think that's what they say about the taxes. Because even after you move out, they come after you for it.
They come after you, can't get away.
No, I mean, they basically they'll subpoena your cell phone records and see if you ever come back in the state. I mean, it's bad. Yeah.
All right, so what do we got
Oh, and
here?
I got another one.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Tiger Stacker's in the house. Wow. Okay, so,
I
what
kind
do
of
you...
snuck that in there,
Yeah,
Tiger.
that's really good, Tiger. There you go. Big shout out to Tiger Stacker. So these 2 rounds, anything else today?
So right now I'm going to grab these. I didn't have time to get to the bank before.
You should know better than that. Come on, surfer.
I know. But tomorrow I'm going to go and I'm going to pick up some more. And anyway, I'm staying up this way. So
Well, thank you. Good to see you. Take care, buddy.
thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Thank you very much.